Feel like your money is going up in flames? Want to save money heating your home? Certified Chimney has the answer you need. It might be closer than you think. Call the professionals at CertifiedChimneyInspections.com. Find out if your fireplace or wood stove is safe to use now. If you don't have one yet, we can install one for you too. Start saving money, stay safe, and lower your carbon footprint all at the same time. Call 844-2-HEAT-IT or visit CertifiedChimneyInspections.com to easily schedule an appointment with one of our highly qualified professionals.